Did you know these 8 common vegetables could either accelerate aging or turn back the clock after 60? You'll discover the 4 sneaky vegetables that drain your energy and weaken your bones, plus the 4 anti-aging powerhouses that restore youthful strength. If you're over 60 or planning for healthy aging, this could change everything about your grocery choices. Here's what nobody talks about. The medical establishment overlooks this completely. The supplement industry keeps you distracted with expensive pills. But your vegetable choices control your aging speed more than anything else. Some vegetables you think are healthy might be secretly stealing years from your life. They make your joints stiff, your energy crash, and your skin lose its glow. Others work like natural medicine, fixing damage from the inside out. Today, we're ranking them from worst to best. Stick around because number 1 on our must-eat list surprised even me. From where are you watching? Drop a comment below because we read every single one. Number 4 on our danger list is eggplant. Most people think eggplant is healthy because it's purple and full of antioxidants. That's true, but there's a hidden problem most seniors don't know about. Eggplant contains high levels of solanine, a natural chemical that can trigger inflammatory cascades throughout your body. This affects muscle recovery and makes you feel tired all the time. Meet Dorothy, a 67-year-old who loved making eggplant parmesan twice a week. She thought she was eating healthy. After 6 months, Dorothy started feeling exhausted by 3 p.m. every day. Her muscles felt weak, and she couldn't understand why. Simple tasks like carrying groceries became harder. Her doctor ran tests, but everything looked normal. Then Dorothy tried cutting out eggplant for a month. Within 2 weeks, her energy started coming back. Her muscle strength improved, and she could stay active until evening again. Here's what happens in your body. Solanine interferes with your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells that make energy. When these get disrupted, your whole system slows down. Your muscles can't repair themselves properly after activity. You feel sluggish and weak without knowing why. The inflammation also affects your joints, making them stiff and sore. This doesn't mean you can never eat eggplant again. Small amounts once in a while are probably fine for most people. But if you're eating it regularly and feeling unusually tired, try removing it for a few weeks and see how you feel. Pay attention to your energy levels and muscle strength. If you love the taste, try zucchini or mushrooms instead. They give you similar texture in recipes without the solanine problem. You can still make delicious Mediterranean dishes without the energy drain. But here's what shocked me most about the next vegetable on our list. Coming in at number 3 is raw kale, and this one will surprise you. Everyone calls kale a superfood. Health experts recommend it constantly. But eating raw kale daily can actually slow down your metabolism and make you gain weight, especially after 60. Raw kale contains compounds called goitrogens. These block your thyroid from absorbing iodine, which it needs to make hormones that control your metabolism. When your thyroid slows down, everything in your body slows down too. William, 64, started drinking green smoothies with 2 cups of raw kale every morning. His wife bought him a fancy blender for his birthday, and he was excited to get healthy. 3 months later, William gained 15 pounds, even though he was eating the same foods as before. He felt cold all the time, even in summer. His thinking felt foggy, and he needed naps during the day. His doctor tested his thyroid and found it was underactive. When William switched to cooked spinach and romaine lettuce in his smoothies, his weight started dropping. His energy came back, and he stopped feeling cold constantly. The goitrogens in raw kale mess with thyroid hormone production. Your thyroid controls how fast your body burns calories, how warm you feel, and how clearly you think. When it gets disrupted, your metabolism crashes. Weight creeps on no matter what you eat. You feel tired and cold because your body isn't burning fuel efficiently. Cooking kale breaks down most of the goitrogens, making it much safer. If you love kale, steam it lightly or add it to soups. Limit raw kale to small amounts a few times per week, not daily smoothies. Try romaine lettuce or arugula in smoothies instead. They give you nutrients without the thyroid problems. This next one will blow your mind. Number 2 on our danger list is Swiss chard. Those colorful stems look so healthy in the grocery store. Many seniors add it to salads thinking they're getting great nutrition. The problem is Swiss chard actually steals essential minerals from your body. Swiss chard is loaded with oxalates, compounds that grab onto important minerals like iron and magnesium. Once they bind together, your body can't use those minerals anymore. They just pass right through you. Over time, this creates deficiencies that show up in surprising ways. Patricia, 72, prided herself on eating a big chard salad every lunch. She loved the colorful red and yellow stems. After 8 months, Patricia noticed her fingernails breaking constantly. Her hair started thinning, and she felt weak going upstairs. Her hairdresser even asked if she was sick because her hair looked so brittle. Patricia's blood work showed she was low in iron and magnesium, despite eating what seemed like a healthy diet. When she replaced chard with regular lettuce and cucumber, her nails got stronger within 6 weeks. Her hair stopped falling out, and her energy improved. Here's the science behind it. Iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles and brain. Without enough, you feel tired and weak. Magnesium powers over 300 processes in your body, including muscle function and bone strength. When oxalates block these minerals, your cellular repair systems can't work properly. Your body starts breaking down faster than it can fix itself. Swiss chard isn't poison, but daily consumption can drain your mineral stores. If you enjoy it, limit portions to once or twice weekly. Better choices include butter lettuce, endive, or cabbage. These give you vitamins without stealing your minerals. Warning: don't ignore this if you feel constantly tired, because our next vegetable might be the real culprit. The number 1 worst vegetable for seniors is potatoes. This might surprise you because potatoes seem so harmless. Baked, mashed, or roasted, they're comfort food. But potatoes spike your blood sugar faster than a candy bar. For people over 60, this is dangerous. Potatoes have one of the highest glycemic indexes of any vegetable. A medium-baked potato can raise your blood sugar as quickly as drinking soda. When you're over 60, your body doesn't handle these sugar spikes well anymore. Your insulin sensitivity naturally decreases with age. Robert, 68, loved his daily baked potato with dinner. He thought he was making healthy choices by baking instead of frying. After a year, Robert started feeling exhausted after meals. His ankles swelled up and he got brain fog in the afternoons. His doctor ran an A1C test and found Robert was becoming pre-diabetic. His blood sugar was staying elevated for hours after eating. When Robert replaced potatoes with cauliflower and green vegetables, his blood sugar stabilized within 2 months. The afternoon crashes stopped, and his ankle swelling went down. Here's what happens inside your body. Potatoes break down into glucose very quickly. This floods your bloodstream and forces your pancreas to pump out large amounts of insulin. Over years, this constant spike and crash pattern wears down your body's ability to manage sugar. It leads to diabetes, heart disease, and nerve damage. A Harvard study following over 200,000 adults found that people eating potatoes daily had 33% higher diabetes risk. Even baked potatoes caused problems. You don't have to eliminate potatoes forever. Treat them like dessert, small portions occasionally. When you do eat them, pair with protein and fiber to slow absorption. Better daily choices include cauliflower, turnips, or radishes for that starchy satisfaction. Now let's flip the script and reveal the 4 vegetables that actually slow aging. Number 4 on our must-eat list is cucumber. Most people think cucumbers are just water with no real nutrition. That's completely wrong. Cucumbers are packed with silica, a mineral that keeps your skin firm and your joints flexible as you age. Silica works like internal scaffolding for your body. It helps build strong connective tissue and keeps your skin from sagging. Most seniors don't get enough silica in their diet, which is why wrinkles appear and joints get stiff. Cucumbers are one of the best natural sources. Rose, 71, started eating half a cucumber with lunch every day after reading about silica benefits. She sliced it up with a little salt and olive oil. Within 2 months, Rose noticed her skin felt firmer when she touched her cheeks. Her knee pain from gardening decreased noticeably. Even her physical therapist commented that her joints seemed more flexible during exercises. Rose couldn't believe such a simple change made such a difference. The science is fascinating. Silica supports collagen cross-linking, which keeps your skin elastic and your cartilage strong. It also helps your cells hold on to water better, keeping tissues hydrated from the inside. When your connective tissue stays hydrated and flexible, you move easier and look younger. Cucumbers also contain compounds that reduce inflammation throughout your body. Less inflammation means less pain and better healing. The high water content helps flush toxins from your system while delivering nutrients to your cells. The best way to eat cucumbers is with the peel on. That's where most of the silica lives. Add them to salads, eat them as snacks, or blend them into refreshing drinks. Try to get at least half a cucumber daily for the anti-aging benefits. But as good as cucumber is, our next vegetable has even more powerful age-reversing properties. Number 3 on our power list is sweet potato. Unlike regular potatoes that spike your blood sugar, sweet potatoes actually help repair your cells and slow down aging. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your liver converts into active vitamin A. This vitamin is like fuel for cellular repair and protection. Vitamin A activates longevity genes in your cells. These genes control how well your body fixes damaged DNA and removes cellular waste. Without enough vitamin A, your cells start breaking down faster than they can repair themselves. That's when aging accelerates. Thomas, 66, switched from regular potatoes to sweet potatoes 3 times per week. He roasted them with a little olive oil and herbs. Within 6 weeks, Thomas noticed his night vision improved dramatically. He could see better driving after dark. His energy levels stayed steady throughout the day instead of crashing. Even his wife commented that his skin looked healthier and less gray. Sweet potatoes contain powerful antioxidants that protect your DNA from damage caused by pollution, stress, and normal daily wear. Beta-carotene specifically shields your cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the main drivers of aging. Research shows that people with higher beta-carotene levels in their blood have less cellular damage and live longer. The fiber in sweet potatoes also feeds beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut produces compounds that reduce inflammation throughout your whole body. Less inflammation means better brain function, stronger immunity, and slower aging. Choose orange or purple sweet potatoes for maximum benefits. Roast them instead of frying to preserve the nutrients. Eat the skin too. That's where many antioxidants concentrate. This might interest you, but our next vegetable works even differently to reverse aging damage. Number 2 on our power list is asparagus. You might think asparagus is just a fancy side dish, but it's actually one of nature's best detox vegetables. Asparagus contains compounds that help your liver make glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. This is crucial for removing toxins and waste from your cells. As you age, your body gets worse at cleaning out cellular garbage. Damaged proteins, toxic metals, and other waste products build up inside your cells. This clogs up your system and makes you feel sluggish. Your brain gets foggy, and you can't think as clearly. Asparagus helps fix this problem. Helen, 73, struggled with brain fog for 2 years. She'd walk into rooms and forget why she went there. Simple conversations became hard to follow. Her doctor said it was normal aging, but Helen refused to accept that. She started eating asparagus spears with dinner 4 times per week, usually steamed with lemon juice. After 1 month, Helen noticed her thinking felt sharper. She could follow TV shows better and remember things more easily. Her family noticed she seemed more alert during conversations. The compounds in asparagus boost your liver's ability to process and remove toxins. They also cross into your brain and help clear out waste products that accumulate between brain cells. This is called neuroprotection. When your brain can clean itself better, your memory improves and mental fog lifts. Asparagus also supports kidney function, helping flush toxins through your urine. The fiber feeds good gut bacteria that produce compounds to reduce inflammation. Choose thick spears over thin ones for maximum benefits. Steam lightly to preserve the detox compounds. Aim for half a cup 3 to 4 times weekly. Here's where it gets interesting. Our #1 vegetable has surprised researchers worldwide. The #1 vegetable that can actually reverse aging is cabbage. I know it sounds boring, but cabbage contains sulforaphane, one of the most powerful anti-aging compounds ever discovered. This natural chemical activates your body's longevity pathways and literally tells your cells to clean house and repair themselves. Sulforaphane triggers something called autophagy. Think of it as your cellular cleaning crew. These processes break down old, damaged parts inside your cells and recycle them into fresh, healthy components. It's like renovating your house from the inside out. Most people lose this ability as they age, but cabbage can turn it back on. Richard, 71, added shredded cabbage to his meals 5 times per week. He made simple coleslaw with olive oil and vinegar, or threw it into soups. After 3 months, Richard felt stronger than he had in years. His grip strength improved so much he could open jars easily again. His memory got sharper, and he stopped forgetting names and appointments. His doctor was amazed at how much his cognitive tests improved. Research shows sulforaphane protects brain cells from damage and helps them communicate better. It also strengthens muscle tissue and improves heart function. Studies found that people eating cruciferous vegetables like cabbage regularly had slower biological aging compared to their actual age. Raw cabbage has the most sulforaphane, but cooked works too. Purple cabbage contains even more antioxidants than green. Try adding thin slices to sandwiches, making quick pickled cabbage, or throwing it into stir-fries at the end of cooking. Aim for at least half a cup of cabbage 3 times weekly. It's cheap, stores well, and might be the closest thing to a fountain of youth sitting in your produce drawer. And there you have it, the complete truth about vegetables and aging. 4 vegetables that speed up aging: eggplant draining your energy, raw kale slowing your metabolism, Swiss chard stealing your minerals, and potatoes spiking your blood sugar. Plus 4 that turn back time: cucumber hydrating your cells, sweet potato repairing DNA damage, asparagus detoxing your brain, and cabbage activating your longevity genes. Which aging accelerator were you eating daily? Tell us below. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button and share this with someone who needs to know. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our anti-aging secrets hiding in your kitchen. We respond to every comment, so drop your experience below. Your grocery choices after 60 can either steal years from your life or add healthy years back. The power is literally in your hands. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications.